How to add custom font in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about Canva and how you can add any type of custom font that you want. Now, adding custom fonts in Canva is a pretty easy and pretty simple procedure, okay? And how is it a pretty simple and pretty easy procedure? Let me tell you. So to start things off, you're obviously going to come over to your canva.com, obviously. Now, once you're in your canva.com, what's going to happen from there is you're going to get, the whole idea of how you're going to work with the Canva. You're going to make sure you have the whole concept. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your branding. And once you go into your branding here, you're going to scroll down where it says fonts. And in the font section, you're going to simply click on add new. Now, for this, you are going to want to make sure that you have Canva Pro, okay? Without Canva Pro, you are not going to be able to add fonts by yourselves. So obviously make sure that you have Canva Pro, and once you have Canva Pro, you're going to make sure that you have the accessibility to use the full features of Canva Pro, because without all of these things, there's no point in adding fonts for yourself, because you can add fonts for yourself anyhow. So basically, once you've gotten the whole idea of that, what's going to happen from there is that we're going to be going ahead and talking about the alternative ways that you can actually add a type of font into Canva. Now, this alternative that I'm going to be showing you isn't the best, but it still works better, because the normal way is to, come into plans and pricings. You're going to go for the Pro plan, and the Pro plan is the main plan that people use to, actually go ahead and add different types of pricings and plans for themselves. So you're obviously going to want to make sure to access the Pro plan. And here you can see create stunning designs in no time with unlimited access to premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI powered magic. So you're going to get all of that. And it says start your free Pro trial. You can start that right off for yourself as well. You can get all these designs made easier for yourself. And then, craft professionally content quickly. You can remove photos and video backgrounds in one click. You get unlimited access to 100 plus million photos, templates, graphics, and videos. And you can fix images really fast with Magic Eraser. And it also says Pro gives you more magic, where you can use AI powered magic features to save time and bring your ideas to life. Your first draft is pretty fast with the whole magic write concept, and you can start with a prompt and watch as Canva's AI text generator creates your next blog outline with social captions, content idea, and much more. So with Canva Pro, you can play with 250 prompts per month in the easiest way. And you have a lot of other things like Magic Write, Beat Sync, Magic Eraser, Translate, Magic Edit, Draw, go whatever you want. But the best thing, obviously, as I mentioned, is the branding. Like, you can scale your brand, and as you can see over here, build and scale your brand with the Brand Hub. Kickstart your brand with pro templates for social logos and websites. Easily brand your assets to any design with Brand Kit, and you can replace and update images and logos across designs in one click. So it says Pro gives you more magic as well, where you can use their AI powered magic features to save time and bring your ideas to life. You can create your first draft really fast, as I stated. You have all these other things as well with BeatSync. You can sync your soundtrack with BeatSync, which is pretty incredible. You have the Magic Eraser with Canva Pro. Magic Eraser will actually help you remove unwanted objects from images. Just brush over the area. Translate, where you can, actually translate many languages, which is a pretty nice feature, pretty nice add-on touch-up. And you can magically add to your image with Magic Edit. You can sketch up your ideas with Draw. You can create different animations. You have text to image. You have visualizing with Magic Design, Magic presentations, layout styles, and a whole lot more. So, that's the whole suite of products that Canva Pro actually goes on ahead and provides us. There's a pretty good and general idea of how you're going to work with all of this. And it's just a simple $6.49 per month. So, pretty small price and pretty vast features. But in the case that you don't want to, add in some pricings, what you can simply do is you can generate something in the font that you want to generate in. Take a screenshot of that, add it in Canva, use the background remover to remove the background, and yeah, just use that as your font. Or if you want to use the actual font, what you can simply do is you can just go ahead into your text tools. You have all the main fonts over here. Like as you can see, I have different fonts that I can work with over here. So let me show you what this actually constitutes. So I'm going to scroll in. And here you can see I've used different fonts all over with different types of stylings and settings as well. And it looks pretty nice. It gives a pretty good in general, idea and surrounding ambiance of the text and fonts. So again, as I stated, if you want to add your very own custom text and fonts to your Canva, just use the brand hub, including the branding tools, and that should do the work for you. Or if you want to simply create it through your basic creator from any other font section, like let's say you have some fonts on Microsoft Word that you want to use, or you have some font on Adobe Photoshop that you want to use, you can simply like write something from that font, take a screenshot of that font, upload that screenshot on Canva. You can remove background from it from remove.bg.com, and once you remove stuff from there, you're going to be pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's the general idea of how you're going to add fonts. So yeah, that's pretty much the idea of how we're going to be working with Canva and all the different types of font brandings and many other things. So yeah, pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you want to watch more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll just give you a brief overview of how you're going to do all of this all over again. So simply, you're going to come over to canva.com, and once you're over here, you're going to go over to brand. Now, once you're in your brand, obviously you can go into your brand templates, but you're going to stay in brand kits. We're going to make sure that we have a pro trial. So you're going to come to plans and pricings, go for pro. So for individuals wanting unlimited access to premium content and design tools, get the pro plan for yourself. And once you've gotten the pro plan, you can simply come down here where it says fonts. And in the fonts, you can simply click on add new and add any type of font you want. You can add it for different types of titles, subheadings, whatever you want. You can also add different things like your own brand voice, photos, graphics, icons, whatever you want. It's all accessible and added through your basic, pro plan that you can get from over here. So yeah, that's the general idea of it all, and that is how we're going to work with all of this. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. And also, please do make sure to share this around with people who are in need of tutorials like this because it will help them out as well as me. So yeah, that's pretty much the idea of it all. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.